What's up, y'all? It's Ray. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any future uploads. Today I am on here to show you how I got these singles. Some of you call them box braids, some people call them singles. I'm going on a Jamaican trip and thought that I would try to get my hair braided for a protective style, and this is what it's looking like. So if you want to see how I got this style, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so I just want to preface this video by saying that Tina is not a professional braider. She is not a professional braider, nor does she claim to be. So this is not a tutorial on how to do box braids. This is just me showing you and sharing with you my experience in getting a protective style in my hair for the very first time. So as you can see, Tina has started from the back. She is parting my hair very neatly, and she is adding edge control to my edges right now to make sure that they are nice and sleek before she starts to add the braiding hair. She has also added moisturizer to my hair, as you can see here, to make sure that it stays moisturized for the length of time that I have the protective style in. Now, I did prep my hair by washing it, conditioning it, and putting in a leave-in conditioner before I dried it with the Revlon handheld blow dryer brush. So I will have a link to that video in the cards above. Now, Tina has started to add the braiding hair to my hair in the back, and she's just continuing to braid it down. She is not doing it too tight, so don't fear. My edges will not be coming out. She's doing it tight enough to stay in, but loose enough that I can stand it because I am not used to having my hair braided. I am not at all tender-headed, but I will admit that I do get headaches if I have a bun in too long, or have my hair pulled back in a certain direction too long, or wear a hat for too long. So I just knew that having braids in my hair probably would give me that same reaction. So therefore I asked her to do the braids as large as she could without making them too large, but making sure that they looked neat, and that I was able to put them in a ponytail or up in a bun on my head if need be. So again, she is starting with the second braid. She has added the edge control, and now she is adding the braiding hair to that section, and she is just braiding down the length of my hair. So I do want to say throughout this video, you will see that she does this back row, and then pretty much the next clip, you'll see my hair is more about halfway finished, and that is because my camera turned off and I didn't realize that it was off for so long before catching it and turning it back on. So I apologize if you missed anything, but hopefully you're enjoying this video and just seeing us interact with one another and just have a good time laughing and catching up. So while we're waiting for her to get to that next area, the next clip I was talking about, just put in the comment section below, what protective styles do you use when you're going on vacation? Do you do box braids, or do you do faux locks or mini twist? How do you protect your hair on vacation, as well as maybe in the winter months or the summer months if you just want to give your hair a break? Share with me in the comment section below what it is that you do and how you maintain that protective style for the length that you have it in. I'd like to chit chat back and forth on that, because I'll probably be getting more protective styles along the way. So as you can see, again, she is almost halfway done, and the sections are pretty large, but the parting is very neat. She got those edges in there, and you guys know that I don't lay my edges, but she does lay her edges, so she kind of pulled them back. She didn't do a lot of swooping on them, but she did get them laid down to make it look very nice. So I appreciate that. And also, again, this is not a tutorial, so please don't come in my comment section saying that this is not box braids, or this is not how you do box braids. I am not claiming that this is a tutorial and that this is the way you should do it. And she is not claiming to be a professional braider. We've said that. So please just give her props for what she did, because I like it. And the fact that she was able to do it in the comfort of my home, that much, hey, I can appreciate. So right here, she's asking me how heavy they are. Do they feel heavy? And at the time, they did not feel heavy. So we did use about 5 packages of hair for this protective style, and I inadvertently threw the packaging away, and it did cost about $1.99 a pack, I believe, and I got 5 packs, so it was around $10. So you can't beat that for a protective style. Here she is adding more moisturizer to this section, and this is actually the last section that she's going to do before the style is complete with all the hair installed. So what you will not see in this video, but did take place, is the fact that we did use the hot water method to seal the hair so that it will not come loose. I did not get that on camera, but that did take place even though you do not see it. And that is how the ends of my hair got a little bit neater. So she did braid down to the length that I wanted. Then she clipped off the raggedy end parts, and then we sealed it with hot water to finish off the style. You'll also see her put it up in a bun on my head at the end of this to show me how I can wear it. And I'm sorry, not a bun, but a ponytail up on my head to show how I can wear it. And then she also did show me how to do a bun if I wanted to do a bun, which is not part of this video as well. But I just wanted to let you see the process that it took. Now, it did take her about 3 hours to get these braids in, and I believe I have 20 to 25 braids in my head, so not many at all. I think it may be closer to 20. I'm serious. It wasn't many at all. So that was great. But again, it took about 3 hours, and that was it. So here it is. She's putting it up in a ponytail. And then we do add off camera some hair jewelry to give it just a little bit more pizzazz. And that is it. So if you guys like this video, give her a shout out in my comments, saying, letting her know that she did a good job on this, considering that she is not a braider, and she kind of just taught herself by doing her daughter's hair and her mom's hair periodically. And again, I mean, I think it was a very good job. I think it was good enough to get me to Jamaica and back without me having to worry about my hair. And so there you go. Okay, so this is the finished product, and I am going to add some hair jewelry to it. And so it's in a way where I can, you know, put it in a bun if I want to. I can take it down, but right now it's still somewhat wet on the ends. So, but yeah, so far for me never having braids before, I'm pretty happy with it. It's a little bit heavy, but it's bearable. And so far so good. So I just wanted something real simple. So put on some makeup, get my eyebrows done, and I'm gonna be set for my trip to Jamaica. So I hope you guys can hear me. I hope I'm not whispering. Don't mean to be whispering, but yeah, so this is it. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of my next upload. And until next time, thanks for watching.